Ada jadi my potato. Falisha bedtime story.
Oh, that's so cool.
What is
What's this?
This is
Okay, come, let's see down here. Okay, this is actually a fruit trolley set. Wow, you can see there's so many. It's like a trolley, kan? And then you get a lot of fruits inside here. And it's for 3 years old. And are you 3 years old? Yeah, you're 3 years old. You're almost 4 years old, kan?
You're almost 4 years old, but it's the same as 3 years old, but you're 4 years old.
Yeah, see, this is cool. It's alright. Let's try to unbox this. Okay, before that, we read first. Multifunctional. What's this?
Multifunctional.
Oh.
Wow.
So it's supposed to teach us about cooperation skill, hand and eye coordination, and logical thinking. Wow, that's complicated. Alright. Okay.
Keyboard.
Alright. See, okay. You can cut the fruit here inside. You can cut the fruit also inside here, right? That's so cool.
They have the fork here. And the spoon.
You got 23 pieces inside, so that's good. Stickers here, you put it. Okay, right. We'll try to open it up. Okay. You hold this, okay. Alright, slowly. Alright, okay, slowly. Whoa! So this is the first packages. Oh, what's this? This is the pen. Cutting pen, I think. Oh, this is a trolley. So, this is a knife. Alright, this is another one. Okay, we got it here. Alright, and then what's inside? Oh, this is the stickers. Okay. Okay, right now we need to fix it up.
Okay, this must be here.
We'll start to fix this up, okay? Alright, let me just share it. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna arrange this trolley first. There you go.
Small one.
Tight there. Done with this. Alright, cool. Now we need to fix the wheel. How do we fix the wheel? Yeah, there you go.
Another one.
Another one is here.
Let's put the wheels.
There you go.
I just put the wheels.
Okay, you put the wheels. You need my help? You need to put it a bit tight. Yeah, there you go.
No.
Okay, you press it. Press it both hands. Alright, cool.
Another one.
Okay, another one here. Slowly. No, put both hands like this. The tissue. Put like this. Then you press. There you go. Alright, the last one. Alright, awesome.
Good job.
Okay, now let's take the... No, before that we put the stickers first. Okay, right, how do we do this? Faleeq, can you help?
I can help.
This one. Faleeq, show this one, Faleeq. Show.
Show Falisha, where is the sticker?
Here.
Stickers over here. Stickers
No.
over here.
Terbalik. No, let Falisha do it. You just tell where to put it. Put it nicely, Falisha.
Yeah. You must, you must like this.
Lemon.
I think the other side.
I think this one is for the other side.
No, it's not.
This side. Yeah, there you go. Okay, Falisha put.
You must do the down one.
Nicely, Falisha. Nicely.
The down one, you see the bumpy one, so you make sure you...
Inside the box.
Let me help you. Alright, awesome. Okay, wait.
Okay, that one, Lala Faleeq, where you should put?
Okay, Lala Faleeq,
The
tell.
same.
Okay.
The same, but it's got to be up a bit. This thing must be singing bit. This thing is like this.
This way.
This thing is like this.
Alright.
Okay.
Upside down.
Yeah, upside down. Correct. Inside the box. Must be inside the box properly. So you don't nanti koyak pelan-pelan. Just
In the middle. Help me.
Okay, wait. Alright.
Small one.
Wait, where?
Okay.
Kalau Faleeq, can you tell which one? Where?
This one.
Which?
Let me check.
Oh, this is the tire one we put here, is it?
No, let me check. This one is
This one.
this way.
Okay, Falisha.
And
Falisha, slowly, yeah. Don't.
too fast.
Okay.
The small one you put down.
Alright, awesome. Next one.
Left side. Just the same.
Yeah, put.
This one easily. This one is not easily. Nice.
Awesome. Last one.
So now the last one.
Where is this? Faleeq, tell. I think this
Last
one is.
Over here.
Ah, down here. No, is it correct?
Wait.
Let's check first. It could be somewhere. Let's check with it. Let me see.
I'm seeing.
I think I know where.
Maybe ada handle. Okay,
Falisha?
just sing.
You put it here, Falisha?
Put it.
I think it's down here.
Let's just put it.
Up a bit.
Let's find the bumpy part.
Alright, there you
Okay.
go. Okay. Let me open up for you. First we put this up here.
Let me check the book.
Let me check. I'm gonna use a knife here.
correct.
Yeah, I'm gonna use a knife here, guys.
This book I have a lot.
Alright.
See?
Yeah, when you cut it, you're gonna get double.
There you go. Alright.
See this one here. That is lettuce.
Okay.
What is this?
Strawberry.
What about this one?
Lettuce.
Alright. This is cabbage.
I think so, yeah, it's cabbage.
Okay, what about this?
Mushroom.
Yeah, mushroom like Mario. This is black mushroom. Should be tasty. What about this one?
Chili.
Eggplant.
Eggplant. Alright.
Mama, I want to do. Use that for your baby.
Okay, you cut.
Yes, you can-
You cut the strawberry first.
you can
Wanna
play
see
with
you
your
cut the
baby.
strawberry? Okay, let's see Falisha cut the strawberry. Wow, this is so tasty. Can you give me a bit? I want to taste it. Oh my god, it's sour.
Not sour. Strawberry is not sour.
Alright. Okay, guys. You guys gonna play this one later on. This cabbage, I think so. Alright, cut the cabbage. Yo, hold the knife to balik.
Upside down.
Oh.
Upside down from.
Oh, careful. Dangerous. The knife is very dangerous.
It's not to our head.